Buenos días a todo el mundo. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Bonjour, privyet, hey do. Hope you're all doing well. This morning, I'm down in the heart of the urbanizations here at Dehesa de Campoamor with the Puerto de Campoamor, the port, right in the background there. So today, I'm going to take you on a walk from the beautiful Campoamor up to Playa de la Peña, in reverse of what I did the other day from Punta Prima to La Peña. So today I'm going to do the south to north walk here on Orihuela Costa. Hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please give a like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And for further information and requirements about possibly living the dream out here in Spain, in one of the healthiest places in the world to live, please do get in touch.